We still got our hiccups. We don't really know how we feel about that, do we?
Okay.
Yeah. Hi, Grandma and Grandpa. I'll get over these someday.